How to create own cryptocurrency. When creating a new cryptocurrency, you can choose to make a coin or token. A coin has its own blockchain, while a token is built on a pre-existing network. Cryptocurrencies rely on blockchains for their security and decentralized nature. Creating a token requires less expertise and effort than making a crypto coin. A coin will usually need a team of developers and experts to make it. A token still needs technical knowledge, but it's possible to create them in minutes through the use of other blockchains, such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, and Polygon. Your choice of a token or coin will change depending on the customizability and utility you want. Overall, the costs involved depend on the work needed, like external developers and time. Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain are popular blockchains for creating digital currencies. You can either use established code to create tokens yourself or pay to use a coin creation service. Sidechains are another popular choice as they provide more customization with the main blockchain's benefits. Before creating your own crypto, you'll need to consider its utility, tokenomics, and legal status. After this, your choice of blockchain, consensus mechanism, and architecture are all needed for the development stage. Next, you could consider an audit of your project and a final legal check. While pretty much anyone can create a cryptocurrency, developing a solid project requires serious work and dedication. The idea of creating your own cryptocurrency, use cases, and audience is an exciting one for many crypto fans. But where is the best place to start? There are actually many ways to create coins and tokens. The costs and knowledge also vary based on the complexity of your project. If you're thinking about creating your own cryptocurrency, our article lays out the very basics for you to get started. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is a type of digital asset with multiple use cases. It's primarily a way to transfer value between people digitally, including monetary value, ownership rights, or even voting privileges. Crypto differs from other digital payment systems because of its roots in blockchain technology. This basis gives cryptocurrencies more freedom from central entities, like governments or banks. Bitcoin is the most famous example of a cryptocurrency. It has a simple use case of transferring monetary value to anyone across the globe without the need for intermediaries. Its blockchain records all transactions and ensures security and network stability. Difference between crypto coins and tokens. Cryptocurrencies can roughly be split into two categories, coins and tokens. The difference between them is simple. Coins have their own native blockchain, like Bitcoin, for example. Ether, ETH, has the Ethereum blockchain. Coins typically have a specific utility over the whole network, like paying for transaction fees, staking, or taking part in governance. Tokens are built on pre-existing blockchains. They might have some similar rules to coins, but tokens mainly have utility in their own projects. One example is PancakeSwap's Cake8 on BNB Smart Chain. You can also use it to pay for certain transactions in the PancakeSwap ecosystem, like minting non-fungible tokens or playing their lottery. However, Cake8 doesn't have its own blockchain, so it can't be used in every application across BSC. The same is true for the thousands of ERC20 tokens issued on the Ethereum blockchain. Each token is part of a specific project with different use cases. Creating crypto coins versus tokens. As mentioned, creating a token is much simpler than creating a coin. A coin requires you to develop and successfully maintain a blockchain. You could fork, create a copy, another existing chain, but this doesn't solve the problem of finding users and validators to help your network survive. Nevertheless, the potential for success with a new coin can be higher than just making a token. Here's a basic overview of the two options. Creating a coin. Creating a new coin can take a lot of time if you develop your own blockchain. However, forking a previous blockchain can be done speedily and used as a base for your new coin. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is one example of a forked project. To do this, you still need a high level of blockchain technical and coding knowledge. The success of your project will also rely on getting new users to your blockchain network, which is a challenge. Creating a token. Creating a token on an existing blockchain can leverage its reputation and security. While you won't have complete control over all aspects of your token, there is still a lot of customization available. There are a variety of websites and tools available to create your own token, especially on BSC and Ethereum. Should I create a coin or a token for my project? A token will usually be enough for decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, or play-to-earn games. Both BSC and Ethereum have a massive amount of flexibility and freedom for developers to work with. If you're looking to push the limits of what a coin or blockchain does, creating a coin with its own blockchain would likely be better. Creating a new blockchain and coin is certainly harder than issuing a crypto token. But if done right, it can bring lots of innovation and new possibilities. BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon are good examples. Still, both options will require a lot of hard work along with technical, economic, and market knowledge to succeed. Top solutions for cryptocurrency creation. Some of the most popular solutions for creating cryptocurrencies are BSC, Ethereum, and Solana. Both these networks provide ways to make a variety of tokens based on pre-existing standards. BitP20 and ERC20 token standards are leading examples that almost any crypto wallet provider can support. ERC20 belongs to the Ethereum blockchain, while BitP20 is part of the BNB Smart Chain, BSC. Both networks allow for the creation and customization of smart contracts that enable you to create your own tokens and decentralized applications, dApps. With dApps, you can create an ecosystem that provides more use cases and functionality to your token. You could also look at sidechains that use the security of a larger chain like Ethereum or Polkadot, but also provide some customization. The Polygon network is attached to Ethereum and provides a similar experience, but is cheaper and faster to use. After picking a blockchain, you'll need a method for creating your token. With BSC and other blockchains that are based on the Ethereum virtual machine, the process is relatively simple. You can also find ready-to-use tools that create tokens based on the parameters and rules you provide. These are usually paid, but they are a more practical option for users not familiar with smart contracts. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.